And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good. And as we've been able to do on this landscape with this amazing landscape transformation that I've been able to provide for the homeowner that allowed them to take back their landscape. Now, as you can see, what we've been able to do is we brought in the beautiful Zeon Zoysia, some of the best grass your money can buy, but we didn't stop there. We also came up with the landscape design, and the reason why I did is because of the water that was coming from the neighbor's yard. And so I came up with the dry creek bed design that's gonna allow for that water to now be able to move through this landscape and then allow for itself to be let out at this customer storm drain. So it does say that our innovative ways of coming up with landscape drainage solutions right here in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area has solved the tremendous amount of landscape drainage problem for a bunch of customers right here in our own backyard. And that's right, if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County in specific, it definitely says if you're dealing with the landscape drainage problem, or maybe you're looking for a better way to solve your outdoor living experience, trust the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. We have over a decade's worth of experience, over 1,000 videos able to be seen online and able to be searched by simply going to Google or Facebook and seeing the way in which we transform this landscape. And as you would have seen on this particular landscape, the before and after video, it's absolutely amazing. We came up with a solution for the water that was coming off of this hillside, causing a tremendous amount of erosion, even caused the landscape to have a storm drain in it. And now what we're doing is we're catching that water off of the hillside, as you can see here, and we're now going to be able to appropriate that water throughout this design so that it falls to the path of least resistance and then falls into the storm drain without ever falling into the landscape again. A marvel of engineering and what we've been able to do for the customer, but it does say this is exactly why we become the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we are focused on giving our customers more quality and more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected, only at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.